So today we're going to unbox this Ring Video Doorbell. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so this one here, there's the manual. We have the manual. So here's the ring, the manual, there's the sticker, and all the screws, the USB cord, and some hardware. Okay, so that's what's inside the box. So so this device, it has a mounting plate attached to it, but the first thing we want to do is to charge this one first. Okay, so we're going to attach this and then plug this in. So I'm checking my Ring if it's fully charged. So now it's fully charged. There's nothing blinking on there, so now we're going to unplug it. So next thing you want to do is to upload the Ring app. So then we open it. And then we create an account. Okay, then you just fill in the information. So after you create an account, they will send you an email to verify your account. So now we click verify now. Now we log in. Then it's asking you to sign up two-step verification. So which I recommend. So it's asking me to link my account. So I don't have security subscription because I have a different security in the house. So I'm just going to X this out. So my account has already been verified. It's a success. You get. So the next thing you want to do is after you reset up, you go to the app, and then you have this choice to set up a device. So in my case, it's doorbell. And then it would ask you to scan a code. You will get this code from, when you purchase it, they will send you a code. So there, and then let's continue. What type of location? Home. Continue. So then you put in your address. Then it will ask you to give your Ring doorbell name. Warning: if you use the wrong screws to secure the Ring doorbell, you could damage the battery. Do not use any screw other than the screw. Okay, so got it. I have found security screws. Continue. Remove the protective film. So there's this plastic protective film here that needs to be removed. It's not intended to stay on. So the plastic, you have to remove this. How do you remove it? Continue. Ring would like to access your location. Oh, okay. So allow. Press and release the orange button on the back of your Ring doorbell. You don't use a knife or whatever to remove it. There's a magnet that holds it. So put your thumb here, like so, and pull it from the center. Okay? See? That's the easiest way. Do not use any knife or sharp objects. So here's the trick to put this on the back plate. Okay? So there's a clip here. So you install it on top and then press it. Okay? And you will hear click. So now you press this button, press this orange button, and see if the front.
Say hello to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
And then light is spinning white. Ring doorbell is preparing for setup. When prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. Got it. Ring wants to join. Join. Connecting to your Ring doorbell. So it says Ring would like to find and connect to your device. Okay, connecting to your...
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device. Setup was successful. With Ring, you're always home. Your Ring device is updating its internal software. Please wait for the light to stop flashing before use. This can take a while, so please be patient.
So now it's all set up. So if somebody presses this button, let's see. Somebody's ringing the doorbell. See? Okay. So now it shows on the app that someone is at the door. Okay? So it would show you a video. Okay? So it would show you the video. And then you click end live if you want to end it, you know. Or we can go ahead and talk. Here's the voice. And here's the camera. But if it's over, you just click end live. Okay, so it's pretty good. And then it shows also a tutorial on how to physically install the unit. There are questions on, you can customize the features. So there's advanced settings or whatever, so you can just follow the instructions. So I'm going to show you, I already started it, so I'm just going to show you the rest of the installation. Like one of these says customize motion zones. This lets you exclude areas you don't want to monitor. So I'm trying to see, I don't want to be too sensitive, and that would eat up a lot of the battery. So I'm just only, that way I don't have to keep charging the battery. So here I'm going to customize it. Customize motion zones. So snapshot is updating, continue. To adjust a zone, tap to select it and then drag the cycles. Okay, so motion zones. Also, you can move this left or right, you know. I'll probably not make it too... You can create up to 3 motion zones. And then, so the next one, motion settings saved. Continue. You can just play around it, you know, refine your settings anytime. If you ever want to change the way your Ring device works, just head to its device dashboard. So I'm done. Okay, so what they recommend to install the Ring above 4 feet. So we decided to put it in here. Mine didn't come with a leveler, so but I have a leveler. Let's see if it's level. It's not like that. Is that good? We mark this holes, 4 holes. Okay. Now install it, put it up there. So now we install the security screw. So supposedly this is anti-theft. Nobody can steal it. Okay, so now let's see if it works. Now it says here, someone is at your garage door. Did you see it? Bought this thing to cover it in rain, and so we're trying to put it on there just so the water doesn't go in there. Okay.